Robot.
3 robots up in the air, and you got the Aztecs are down on the ground. Let's see which ones are going to move around. There goes Hillside Robotics. Moving around, they're going over to their depot. Looks like they placed their team marker in there. While both Blues are heading over to their team over to their depot to place in their team marker, and there you go. Blue has successfully placed in their team markers, successfully claiming the Blue depot. Auto's just about to come to an end.
Drivers, pick up your controllers.
Grab your controllers.
3, 2, 1.
And with that, that is the start of the tally-out portion of qualification match number 43. Let's see, Knights in Aluminum right here, 10297, which is that orange, cool-looking robot. They got 2 silver in their possession. Looks like they're going up and over into the lander. Looks like the Knights in Aluminum might have lost connections a little bit here. FTAs are helping over. While their partner over there, the Robotechs, they're picking up some gold and silver and placing anything that they can into their depot. Nope, they're going over to the lander. They're going to claim 5 points each with successful. There goes 1 silver, successful, and 1 gold, earning themselves 5 points each. Well, over on the Red Alliance, you got 13917 Hillside Robotics. They have successfully placed 2 more gold into that lander. 1 minute remaining in this match. Looks like 10-2-1-0 here. The Aztecs, they don't have any more gold or silver that's loose on the ground to push over in their depot. But Hillside Robotics had 3, but then they dropped it, and now they only got 1 in their possession. Possessing 3 will give them a penalty. But they placed the 1 gold successfully that they had into that lander. Well, over on the blue side, 6155 here, that would be the Robotechs. Are moving around and placing some gold and silver successfully into that lander. That sound means it's time for the end game. We got 20 seconds left. Let's see which robots are going to climb up. Up goes Robotechs. They're flexing. They're up. Let's see if Hillside Robotics can get up. 10 seconds remaining in this match. Hillside Robotics is up. Blues partner right there. That's going to be Aztecs. They're trying to make their way over into the crater. 3 seconds left. And with that, that concludes qualification match number 43.
Okay, qualification match 43. Wow, right now, preliminary scores 182 to 181. All right. While we're waiting on the final scores there, let's come over to field 2, the Rosler field. And let's introduce the teams for match 44. We have on the Red Alliance team 8579.
Classical Engineers.
Joined by team 11531.
Techno Trojans 2.
And then flying in, we have team 7228.
Strike Force Special Air Service.
And storming in, we have team 6482.
Red Storm Robotics, red.
All right. Still waiting on final scores for 43. But these robots and their drivers are excited, ready to go, twittering with anticipation. Positively twittering, yes. I'm not going to say they're completely Twitter-pated, because that's really old school. But they're all a Twitter. It was a word before it was a site. It really was. Twittering with excitement. Okay? I mean, look at these guys over on Red Storm. They're jumping up and down with giant grins on their faces. They're not nervous. They're pumped up. Yeah? All right. And the classical engineers, they are analyzing the problem. They have their lab coats and that wonderful top hat over there. And they're pretty much, they got smiles. They got smiles, good to go. The Techno Trojans. Are we excited to be here? Not, apparently not. Apparently not. They're just, they have it so under control that it just no big deal. Now what about Strike Force? They're doing a finger game. They got to limber up in order to be the absolute best drivers they can. You know, up, down. Okay, they got to get warmed up, get those controller fingers all ready to go. You know, wouldn't want to sprain a phalange. Okay, we have a score. Wow.